Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having fantastic days out there. So if you're new here, my name is Jason. I'm a funded prop trader and I'm documenting my entire journey throughout the entire funded process, from challenges all the way to getting profits and getting payouts, and sharing that on a weekly basis. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and give the video a big thumbs up and comment down below so you don't miss out on any more great videos coming in the future. Now, every prop firm has a slightly different way of doing payouts. So with Blue Guardian, I've just got through my second payout. So I thought I'd do a video and document how to actually go about it. Now, it is really, really simple. All you need to do is go into your profit split area. Here will actually show when your actual profit split day is, and typically they are every 2 weeks. Now, on your actual profit split day, just go and click the withdraw button and make sure you type in the amount you want to withdraw. You don't have to take the full amount, but also make sure you don't do any mistakes like I did previously, where I only put in $200 instead of $2,000. Now, you have the choice of how you actually get paid. From what I understand is values below $1,000 are done in crypto, and anything above $1,000 is done through Rise Paywork. So as this was a slightly larger one than before, I did it through Rise, and simply as soon as you do that, you get a authentication code, comes through to your email, you type that in and submit that one, and you are done. Then it's just a case of sitting back, waiting for the payments to get processed and that money to end up in your Rise account. Now, for me, I did this withdrawal first thing in the morning, and by mid-afternoon I had the email saying the actual payment had been processed and the money was with Rise. From that point, all I need to do is log into my actual dashboard there and see the money is actually available. From here, you can just go and withdraw. Typically, you have your link to your bank account. For me, it's obviously a UK bank account, so very straightforward to do. All you have to do is go in and request how much money you want to actually withdraw to your account. Unfortunately, there is a small service charge with it, which is never ideal, as well as with the values being in dollars. There's also the exchange rate back into GBP for me. And unfortunately, when I actually did the original request, the actual pound went up throughout the day. So I probably lost a fraction of a percent overall. Not the biggest thing in the world, but it does all add up at the end of the year. And from that point, once you've done the request, again, another hour or so later, the actual money was processed and in my bank account. As I can show by the screenshot here, you can see the actual funds arrived in my bank account without any issue whatsoever. So I've been in Blue Guardian for a few months now, and I've had no problem whatsoever with their payout process. It's been very straightforward and very swift. Typically all completed within about 8 hours from the actual request to the payment being in my bank account. Now, yes, that might differ between country and country, and once you've done the verification process and made sure everything is legitimate on the Rise as well as within Blue Guardian. But for me, I've had no issue whatsoever, and I would definitely recommend these guys as a prop firm if you're looking to get funded and take some great payouts. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you again soon. Cheers.